guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about Kubernetes cron job, right? What are Kubernetes cron jobs? So Kubernetes cron job are actually Kubernetes API resource that is used to manage tasks, right? Like when you want to run a task repetitively, you are going to use actually the Kubernetes cron jobs. So the cron job, the Kubernetes resource that you use to schedule run task recurrently. So what does it mean here? For example, let's assume that I'm going to take a backup of a database. I want to take a backup of a database every day at 2 a.m. So because that's going to be a recurring task, I'm going to use job. So a job will start, the container will start, and then it will go ahead and run the job for me and die. So every day at 2 a.m. it will start, run the job for me and die. If I put like every 10 minutes it will start, do whatever I ask him to do and die, for example. So that's called cron job. Now, there's also a Kubernetes API resource called job. Sometimes people make a confusion about the Kubernetes job and the Kubernetes cron job. So what is the difference between both of them? A Kubernetes cron job, it's something that run recurringly, right? Something that like run tasks repetitively on a specific period of time. That's a cron job, like every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes. So those are things that run, those are pods that run repetitively on a specific period of time. Now, Kubernetes jobs are now pod that run one time and die. We call them run to completion, right? Kubernetes job are actually pod that run one time and die. So with the Kubernetes job, we run one time and die. It just happened at runtime or at deployment time, but the Kubernetes cron job we run indefinitely until you stop it. If you say every 5 minutes, you will run every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes, you will run every 15 minutes. Now, Kubernetes job are mostly used for like a migration, right? Data migration of database. That's what I've seen so far. Kubernetes job are used for migration of database. Now, Kubernetes cron job, in other hand, are mostly used for like database backup. Sometimes we want to take a database, a backup of the database at a specific period of time, like every day, every week, every 2 hours, every 3 hours. We are going to use actually cron job. So don't be confused on that. Now, let's go to the terminal. Then let's see how the Kubernetes actually cron job actually works. So I have a manifest here, and the name of that manifest is called hello, right? The name of that manifest is called hello. So we are going to actually try to run cron job. So on that. Now, we said here, this is going to happen every minute, right? So this means that this is going to happen every is it every second or every minute? I think it's every minute. So we are going to run this and see how this part will come up all the time. So this file here, I have it stored here. It's called ksa.yaml. So I can go ahead and apply. I say kubectl. I already store an alias called k equal kubectl. So k stands for kubectl. I will say apply -f. Then I will call that file. It's going to go ahead and apply that file. Now, if I say kubectl get, you can say cj, or it will give you that. So CJ stands for cron job. So right, you can say kubectl get cron job or kubectl get CJ. Now, if I say kubectl get port, now take a look here at what is happening. I have this port here called hello, right? I have this port here called hello. It's going to start and run every minute. So let's start here. I'm going to watch. Let's watch what's going to happen here. As you guys see, there's a port that get created called hello. This port here, it is completed, right? The port with 58 is completed. Let's wait. Another port is going to come up and it's going to run and die. As you can see, the P58 port started and it was completed. It's now gone. Another port is going to start in a minute from now. So let's wait, and we are watching that namespace. And this happens every minute. You can see the cron schedule here. It happened every minute here. So let's give him a minute. Let's just be patient. It should be running a minute from now, a few seconds from now. As you guys can see, a new port get created. The 26 export get created, and now it has run to complete. So if I say kubectl get port here, you will see that the first one get created, the P58, it ran to completions. The second one get created, 26x, it ran to completion. If we wait again, a third one will be created. Let's just wait for the third one. So now we had a P58, the 26x port that get created. So let's wait, and the another port after 1 minute from the time the other port stop, another port will be created, and it will run to complete. It will also run to completion and die. So that's what is called Kubernetes cron job, and this is used a lot for Kubernetes backup. Like for example, usually we use it to back up database, or if you have like a specific task that you want to run repetitively on a specific period of time, you will go ahead and use that actually as well. So the next port has just came off 5W5, and it has just done the same thing here. So that's what it's called Kubernetes cron jobs. So I hope you like the video. See you guys on the next video.